Hello all. In this video, we'll teach you how to use external mouse control our pendant touch screen. First, we prepare a mouse. Here we use a wireless mouse. The USB connect here. Plug it in and you will see the mouse. Yes, you can control by the external mouse. And at the same time, you can also use the touch screen too. If we just need to use the mouse, here we need to go into System Authority, Hardware. Here, touch setting, just to menu, emergency, reboot. Release veneer alarms. Okay, you will see you can't use the touch screen, but you can use the external mouse. So we need to change it back.